Good morning. Today I'm in the garden and I'm going to pot up one of my heirloom tomato plants in a container. So I thought I would bring you guys along. Let's get to it. Okay, let's get started. Grab your potting containers, your potting mix, fertilizer, gloves, and of course your plant. I love using the Fox Farm potting soil. It's infused with a lot of yummy good stuff. Earthworm castings, they have fish emulsion and crab meal, just to name a few. I've filled my container about halfway with the potting soil and I'm adding 2 scoops of compost. I like adding compost to not only my containers but also to my garden bed. Doing this improves soil structure, it improves the soil pH, it supplies so many nutrients that are really beneficial for your plant's health. Adding some more mix to top off my container. Now, I always use the Espoma Biotone starter whenever I'm planting anything. I find it really helps the root system develop really quickly. I add 2 generous handfuls and I mix it thoroughly. Now get your tomato and don't laugh at me, guys. This is an heirloom tomato that I actually started from seed, but of course I did not label it properly. So it could be Cherokee Purple or the Chef's Choice blend. I guess it'll be a surprise and we'll find out together. I use the biodegradable Jiffy pots whenever possible because I just pop the entire thing at planting. My tomato plant is a little droopy, so I like to place those on its side. Now I just press down on it to make sure it's tightly packed in there. I snip the leaves that are touching the soil. I add a layer of hay on top to retain the moisture, and clap, 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 you guys have planted a tomato plant. We are moving these into the garden, going to stake them and water them in. Well, that is it, everyone. Thank you for joining. I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Growing with Tiff, where I make videos like this on how to grow your own food at home. So I'll see you next time. Bye.